Alright, I'm going to make a short video on how to remove this fuel door assembly from your F-150, 2015 to 2018 I think, maybe older, but I know 2015 to 18. As most people know, there's two clips on top, two clips on bottom that required to push in. That's something they don't tell you. It's this whole thing right here. It's really stiff, but these two pieces right here, these two middle pieces, need to be pushed in order to get this out. You can kind of push the ones on the bottom if you have something wide enough to get in there to do it, and somebody's pulling on the outside with a pry bar. But I found a guy on the forums that basically said you put a pry bar at 3 o'clock and then kind of roll it down to 4 o'clock, and this one popped out. I'm like, well, dang, that's awesome. Then I went back up to 3, and he said go back up to 2 o'clock and you'll pop out this one, and I did. And then that gives you enough to maneuver the other two to pull straight out, and the whole mechanism comes off. You don't have to remove this yellow piece like you do on the 2014s and down. And I'm going to try to put this back in and hope that helps. Alright, when I was putting this back in, it would be a good idea, as I saw some do, to put some painter's tape right here, because you are trying to slide this mechanism back into the left. I've not got it all the way in. You do have to kind of maneuver the fuel door a little bit with your finger to kind of make it go where you want, and then the rest is just kind of pop in place. And those are all good and seated, and now my fuel door operates like it used to. I used a metal version off of Amazon, solid, as a replacement key. It comes with a spring. Worked awesome. Hope this helps.